Kevin Creamer, and one of the biggest projects we have every year in information services is the replacement of computers for employees and classrooms. We do this in a 4-year cycle, and over the course of this academic year, I'll be taking a look at the different things that have to happen in order for this to succeed. We begin with a conversation with Stephanie Charles, Procurement Coordinator for Information Services. Stephanie is the anchor of this project, and here in October, she's already hard at work organizing the workflow. When does the computer replacement cycle begin for you?
Normally around October. I usually start looking at the departments that's scheduled for the upcoming summer. I used to update it from the directory, but after they discontinued the directory online, now I get a list from HR. So in that list, I get everybody at the university,
Wow.
adjuncts, part-time, full-time, temps, everybody. So I have to peel through that list, find my departments to be replaced, then peel through them, take out all the adjuncts, visiting part-time people down to the full-time. From there, I update my list according to HR's list.
Approximately how many computers are going to be replaced this year?
It's around about 600. We have 420 users and 180 labs and classroom systems, and that's Macs and PC.
I was going to say probably the question of the day is how many Macs, how many PCs?
I have not broken that down yet.
Okay, so
I
that's
have
to
not,
come.
because this is the second year of 4-year replacement. So, but yesterday we had a meeting on our PC, the PC with the vendors, and we are expect to have the same issues with delivery as we did last year.
Which was what?
Instead of being able to start installs on May the 1st, we did not start PC installs until about June the 1st, mid-June. Then I had to cancel half of them because we didn't get the product in, and just go by people's calendar to see what's available. Once I did get some in, so it was more piecemeal the whole season last year.
Wow.
And it looks like it's going to be the same thing this year, so we've actually moved everything up. Right now, I am expecting to get my PC orders in by December.
When did you normally do it?
February, March.
Wow.
Last year we moved it up to February. But before all of the pandemic, it was March.
Wow.
So now manufacturers are asking for 6 months in advance in order to be able to get them to be able to deliver. So open house is normally January. Right now I'm setting that for November. Where users could get me their selections back by February 15. This year it's going to be December the 3rd, and I need to have all the POs done before we go home on winter break.
Wow.
So it's really a fast track this year.
We'll check in with Stephanie in the coming months, as well as others in information services, to show you how hundreds of systems are replaced every year. Stay tuned.